It must be peeling time.
You're right, it's peeling time! Woo! All right.
Yeah.
I have a few of these now. They're getting very creative with these.
Kind of like clobbering time. You remember that?
In now with John Richardson. Okay, so there's probably a few people that don't know what we're talking about. Peeling? What? I just joined this thing. If you're new to the channel, Dana is one of these people, and I know you have someone like this in your life. Dana is one of these people that he doesn't like taking the plastic off of his new technology, especially like laptops. He's got a laptop in his house, and he's got the plastic still on it because you never know. A rock might hit it. It might get all scratched. Now I have to ask you to show the drive. Here it is.
I just leave it up here.
You just leave it there. It is. Yeah. Now, how many years ago did you buy that?
Oh, this is 5-6 years.
Yeah.
7.
Right. And does it work?
Look, it's in perfect, viewable condition.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Brand new.
But you can't bring yourself. Yeah, I understand.
You gotta take it off, baby.
Now, this next one, this is, people are getting really creative. This is from The Wandering Photographer.
Hi, Ken and Dana. This is for Dana. You wanted a peeling back. Well, here's a peeling back. What's going to beat all the peeling backs you've got? You see this little peeling here? This little cellophane here. It's been here for 280 years. Yes, I'm not joking. We're in the land of 40 shades of green. We're in the land of 40 shades of green. Close up here a sec.
40 shades of green.
Right up. All right, stand back. Would you go back?
You're wondering what's going on, right?
200 what?
He slapped some plastic on an old building just so he could show the old building. That wasn't there for any reason. But he's peeling. He's peeling an old Irish building. This building was actually destroyed by the IRA
280-year-old building.
back in the day. The Irish Republican Army.
Free by the IRA.
Yeah.
No one ever came back since. It was owned by an English landlord, an absentee landlord.
You had to peel it.
Yeah, well,
Enjoy that, lads.
That's how you get in the peeling section.
I guess.
So there it is. Isn't that cool?
I'd be something cool to drone for sure.
It's a peeling / drone video. I like it.
Really.
Very creative. And I like the little helicopter sound effects.
Yeah.
That's a Hubsan H501S. We don't need no stinking gimbal. No. All right, back to the peeling. Now these are